come my way. Oh yeah.
My, when me had the rules come ham and pet. Many Joe. Many Joe made the oil and men pesa and cry. As all women must men pesa.
As I'm talking what frame about Bijna. And that's all Casa was a wolf this Saturday.
And that's something I catch a schoolness concerning.
Other schoolness is my candy as I'm channel.
Oh, cash in train.
I dare some.
And you know, I train a sign, maybe fear here, initially, anyway, baby, a better cramp. I had to say, Coco board and then the can't send me be chaining by force on mammy who school how. No
schoolness, you are what I'm and I'm not in if you. I want some baby, what I mean, that you come up and I'm in the dear. I don't want to console. Me want to say, make a chance, I want to say, you never one who school, and where dear, me boarding. No one will be the I am me honor Barry. And somehow kind at the Okachin and one or kind. Asantua, my Midonyami, make off Yakwa. Asantua, make come a chili, I mean, with that. I can't leave you any Italy idea, the old warmer from over school. My me say, me Asantua, me say, me woo fee, me woo school had that. Asantua, me say, me can't prempa me we school say, wo school. Me so me come at me who that can't call send me my minimal class, so your back, so your bema. Come and I am indigenous that has said, me quack woo fee. Asantua woo school, Miss me woo fee, Miss woo fee, woo fee, Miss me quack woo fee. I don't know what you say, Ade, me haji, Miss woo school, woo fee, me call woo fee. Me call wolf here. Me hell. Me a banner been drew a back by my father woman will do be here. I'll be baby as I want with you. Me and no finance in the back ask some nature on. Matty. One of the catcher on. Only back at me. Matty. Now what can I say to say dear? I say here I am. You would the air home. Many of them may war school house. Sans and phone across the academy so. Me who had no watch and coffee now for home. Asantua, how many times I call you? Come back! Hey! Next time I see you into who don't mean Kawanon Pado. You to be and cast someone through. What you can concern much as say, the woman can in a chain. So stay. A quack of 2 minutes on.
Yeah, me punk what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso and Maya. Me, person me come any monster, Jamaica. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah.
Would you have taken you enough for to know who you owe your own country? Can you give you enough for you to be away the work?
Yeah, the Bill frame has a Okasa, so frame Biakasa will be good.
Meet you, Casa.
I mean, when I'm a number catcher, say the majority there, Manaka, maybe Aroma on Aroma, don't pay your money.
Ah, when you know, dear, how one lie, my baby, I say, but who how bow anymore. Ah, what, they say, dear, now what channel?
For me, some means many amounts and be men penny beer, or for Donny, or as all for some.
Now, Abigail, say,
I train Abigail for me, share no crown. Or father, not somebody me, Nuna. Father, now, mammy, I mean, for me pen and throw about me pen.
Abigail. And you can't say no. You move back home.
If I send you Mummy no son kwano school mo.
But see Abigail no breta, you move back home. I don't think I'm breta. I don't think I'm Abigail. What's that something I would know? Why does I say oh why?
They say me I'm person me control. Me you.
You know why? Get go by.
Precious.
Can't me punch you what? Can't me punch you be a what? Onu get kokko bay.
Papa precious. So no.
Kokko o say ko wa kokko. What be that? Onu say kala ni be fa. Kokko of course. Who say ko wa ni kokko? O pe say o kala ni di fa na. Ana na te say yan busu ni ya ba mra nyira. Ye tuntum na wom no. Anyira na. Let it say me ko wu pe tuntum asa wo ye busu mo. Can't you same Adams? Can't you same? I don't know how. Huh? One see you. No one choose her. Sadly, you both again. It didn't be more. No punch woman. I've been waiting. Money. Greater Abigail. Yibako, my way. Yibako, I'm inquiring what they amount. Girl, I'm not school now. Precious woman, I'm not school. What degree, Papa? I couldn't be no.
Now, I remember the number school from the board degree, Papa.
Degree in some person been a man. The degree, no. This is your degree.
I'm not precious, you drew a chill.
Cha! One line come over sign, we do walk over make you. The beer want to be a mobile sign. To some was something our money book I was school up and all. We no precious from the beer want to be a mobile sign. Adams, come and pour to them all. Whoa! Come back and name, come and I don't know, person who did me control my name.
For a man, being bad.
What in the bushim? What in the bushim?
What impression, so baby?
What in the bushim? Come and be a bushim in the same correct. How precious would you say, wherever you go? What is wherever you go?
I am your class on so for no to be the pressure is being for quiet to call your class with me to be.
Kika come on, young Gushi. What and you call one bay for no I could teach you. Oh, my bay for my name destroy your life at the home. Child, yellow. No cook me back. Abigail, better choose one. Who you could choose? Tell me. Hey, my bone. Abigail, Greta, who go choose them? Who go choose them? Who go choose them? Who go choose them? Jimmy, who? Suppression. Who do you feel? I can't know me. You see, Joanna, you tell me, Tani, a monk. What Danny Monk? Continue about who you saying? What is it?
Won't be for no day. No worry, no,
find out. Now, by phone, I'm a crowd. You can't pay any more money, no cash, your boy. But you are so precious to say. What's I action in the 2 weeks into about it? What is it? Can't judge your church. Jimmy.
Say, in fact, there's a minimum one, some maybe a hard drink. A business say, I pray your name to here. You see, now what in the time you do say so.
No, Santo.
Say, you say you're right, says Afrani, Gina Woo Swimmer. You piffy saying you're right. But still, when 66 inch in Aquani, and woo swimmer. Fine, Aquani will swimmer, Matthiasi. She said, "I will bush you need a way. I can't face up with you. Me won't bush you need ticket to say. Ticket to me, Ruby. Mr. Jack will school in a baby bar. Let me end day.
You know who right, said Jack Lana will school, and I won't to school on my Piauca. Let the intimate Piauca.
And you can't go so blue car, maybe, and go so be man. I mean, I said, oh, you'll be Honaka. Huh? And as I said, when you saw Major War.
You are mad.
No,
you are not correct, Baba. I keep telling you, wise up, grow up. I wonder, why are you like this?
Did you make a grandpa?
When Sakiti say be military. I call a bush of oil, I call a bush of oil. And so you be Maya, no one invite a bush of oil to from P. And matter school simply because of my name.
So, be a day.
Be myself and say, be a walk. We are afraid of modestion. Fine. I just say, I call another phone in the bush of one to film fee and metal school. What's wrong with you?
I crowd the school, you didn't ban so be seen, dear. akora no mmiramu kyerɛ sɛ adesua na ɔba besua na ɔgye nse didi na ɔde akɔbɔ ne bra akora no ba yɛ ankaso ɔba abɛware wɔ ha na ɔba abɛwu wɔ ha na ɔba abɛsi akora no tia ba school aba abɛnyem abra onyim onyim no yehu ndu se
baba me no kasa na me dia ana also tu fa no so ho school wa ho no school pay na sabio bibi sensi da yen school anu na first time akwara yin sen
me say obi so nyima enye dia ye ma me parents e ya awe omo
obi no parents ni awe ma bo mama ne e na wa sendai ana say de me bia no member report nkyerɛ
ejo mo mama ne mi hu akwara ndu ti nyi
hey me ni hu who report to me
na me report
na de na me ka sa waka say wu wu buta ne say de me bia member report nkyerɛ wa na
hey ena me fa na akwara ni na wo Ntimi na wo na office on so obi ensie obi enfani so so oba di na wo
school clinic corona see here obi so ni sika be na school clinic ni ye na ya fa eduma na etwa o ka na se wo na oba be chicha mra maye akwa no obawu ha obawu school clinic so wo so ye be ma wo de menye de esa wo ye no pese hu
hey sisi asa by force asa wo she mi say
enye by force mi twa wo ka e twa wo ka
wo na twa mta
wo to na wo to school anu e twa wo ka
na say mo de mi be school mo say mi ba ha no maternity ward bi ni ha me ba ha no say mi be show mo yare enu mo prepare ya nka say mi magi awo ha maternity bi ni ho
wa na wo ye no wo ba e be sre kwan e ma no ma opportunity na wo ko twa lokum abonte wo ko na ko twa lokum na wo nya wo.
And they say no, any different from the other thing.
Any different. Different be anywhere we know. Difference be any. Awo, any will be a prayer, any will be a good in the health services. Inti baba, so bajina war, and they say we be free school also to sumubako. To sumubako ne.
And then say, Yamin come and can't Sa kwan so musi chinchinchi obewu ha de ya ni du sa kwan be wo a obia teachers ni nyina wo hobi ni nyina gina wo ye gina wo na de bi sim yehu se ye gina wo na fan bibi enti a fan bibi si a nyina we are holding responsible
can be a negativity and
negativity say
can be no wadwin no emu omre teacher ni be na ko classroom ko cha da kasa baba be be jira on me chira de na ye nyina ye chira de pe
na school mo so me be so me hu si maternity ward ya ha say chincha abagi awo e wa ha
and one classroom and also be over an practitioner
and then some clinic on who maternity ward be awo
okay but me ka watem baako e me masem ene wo wasem obagina wo fine but so we so won na wo e free meko me ka ko prepare let we are sacrifice school mo
ene na wie nyina ni airport
susumu baako
ana me dey say makato me say awo na ye beji ge no obi a hobi ye gi na wo ene me ka fem no
bodam nti o sento so no be ma hobi a de nam wanya na say agi skuma na wo dia wo kakra ana wo hwan kwala na wo mfa ne sa jimi say ya na yiwa di na komado
yeah me penkwa na me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso we meya me pese me come any months meya
Antoine me pray one to think be so one or two questions me so sincerely answer me o condition o busa for mu ho pa ni condition to say
Sembacho obi enimo nka hinchu bia
o mo busa for ni na mani o bia on se emremu no se mi bia misika no nanka hu ya se ya beto so ama wo school ma by say no situation no aso yensa into no nisa me no heading kakra so I think say nanka I will help me share kwan ba fa so I beto to me ma na otima wo wo school mu ele school nurse na kasa se brown o mane emra o na ye hwe me be but na ka mesre say obusuafo no Obama may be number, so Oma Metias.
So you are maybe no.
And Papa, I'm sorry.
What do you mean? The woman said, in here, Biano, and can make a phone number, mammy. And command me on baby. There was a Seer and Lomo. I shall send a ball, mamma, near, make a different thing altogether. Like a bit more coffee. But so minima, I could do something for you, like time also is far gone. And people feel as a KKK because psychologically, and wow, health wise, also a bit more affected. One woman in Accra, it really take that responsibility. It's in order give me their numbers. Okay, I'll let them understand, sir. I've spoken to all your parents. For that matter, they should understand that you people will be camped here in school even during vacation so that you have the opportunity to deliver safely. So whatever it is, no say, send over. I'll let them send it through my line. I'll say, like, I have eyes on you. I'll say, me no kind of say, or my come betom you. Or my home people, or my son, or my school, my baby show. Say, be uncle Frank, some kitty biama. In a map, say, would deliver safely. Then we go home, we talk to them, and then we'll see how to handle things. I hope that will be fine with you. But also now for fun, there's a choir. That's all no more. Don't let them also do on my city or man know how to do. So say we say what jersey at no walk or say any man and cry within there be. There's just from that. I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
For your own good. Because this time around, we hear Kasan kitten into Kontokan in your be brave. How? I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
So with this, I'll protect you. But help me to protect you.
Yes, sir.
Good. So, phone in your house, Anna, what they be your numbers, I'll call them and you may have them because I'm on my casa. Okay. Good. So, Opoku who's still around our classroom.
Bra.
Oh, Kasa yare.
Bra, Brown said, "Me, I could one meal." Mommy, Kasa said, "Won't you?"
You need to tell some man.
She many man in Kasa.
Me so money yare.
Bra,
Lomo me time She.
Bra, dear.
Me so dey. Lomo me time Kasa na bi o.
Brown, the money be out there, fashion. Fashion, the near sign, it's the first night, and I do not receive domino. Bra.
Auntie me dey chow no ne boy ni jaya na asede. Me dey chow no ne boy ni jaya na asede.
Bra, Aroma, o ye ni papa o. O ye ni papa, toda. Me you cross on no component to the normal miska a total provisions near. We need papa brave. Who say on you, Brad or your mammy no. So the missing can be power Chelsea, dear Miss. So I see no meaning my own.
Oh, no. Get me be cool or Brian Chong tomorrow. Kundarada. Tibe jina me nika sa asem we kire me. Se me tia se ma wo ni aromantina. Ama beta. What bodam? Wala woni ya sa ho. Utimi jina ni aka sa asem we kire me. When you ready so be fa cho Fiako.
Bro, the mean go to you.
Today,
Minda from cram.
And I'm seeing who patrol only boy need Jaya and answer the Yasa Sona would say.
One to toda one.
I told her, boy, 2 years be an walk on her and then many of you. Testing on the catron. Send me a win and make a such a long tear, and your friends show you. Maybe away. Just now make a chono. So I know when you tell us away good day. Yeah, but you know man going to me. Oh, I see ya. See ya go the girl because I'm now so well you know. What's it? Go to you ground when you're ready. Yeah, when you're ready. Go for now you're ready.
Oh, brown, just share with the Aroma yo.
Na bomb out here about that what it ah so when you come be chere wa untie ni pay an kuru the boy will and go ade obeye no o fa nkosi ba bia but me ka bibia untie woni nyasa se no wo so ya person wo ye dia wo pe me boa sadi abrati asia na me ya Aroma unni what your father yasema kwa next time I'll be me I start do some questions be a change Aroma say who go dey bro let's go flow the job questions
No, sorry. Mike.
for my use bra right
No, die. Listen to the girl. I won't fall out. I'm falling out. I won't fall in, Mercy. I won't fall in.
Now, was Scanty only in 18. We are sure to have found seriously. We are sure. Because guy, they mean me a crowd.
What an answer where I can concern.
Maybe a concern. I said, na me be so. Says Scanty now let him plan. Or found serious.
So, if I'm serious, what should I say? How is it your business?
But we okay, so Sunny was down for a chimp.
How is it your business? If I will be, not to let a concern you.
Are they? Maybe so as a more catch him send me a concern you. Ah? You say that no fall serious. Me who say I fall serious because we don't know Sunny chimp now can mean see. So power. Okay, so I'm going on the internet. I didn't know say they too are down for you.
Concern you be tiakoka. Who be tie me the no attack spread it, right?
Because spread their mind.
Also, right now you are concerned, so you don't know. You are gossip, you don't know.
Hey, me.
You don't know.
Let me get concern.
Hey. Now, what's up for Opoku? Oh,
we go find.
Mo click it too.
Together, label. Only the chimp planning to me say embassy here. Now, all the shell is on and you more or penny.
Now, who is ready to get pregnant? Now, how is your Babel? Hey, what's happening? What's happening? Was your own? What's happening? Me can't
say Obenimu, me can't say me Obenim, me can't say in case say a bar. Occasion is only responsible into a budget to say
it's not your business, not your own business. Do you fear?
Oh, sure.
I don't care. I don't care.
It's open.
I'm a pen. I love him. Okay.
Love him now.
I love him. My own business. Is that all?
Oh, I mean,
okay, continue. I'm listening. Continue.
Are you okay? Why do you are you okay, dear? Because I'm not making sure I say,
hey, Venice, don't bring yourself. I'm being cool with you. Come on, born. I'm a neighbor. I'm a Spanish neighbor. Also, me do I'm a baby and can meet him. Don't bring yourself.
Because what's the meeting? I'm
Masem, massa. Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Are you done?
I'm Venice. I'm not done.
Okay. Go ahead. The next time you stop me and tell me this bullshit again, you're going to the other side of me, Venice. Maybe no. Oh, Papa, who does that? Hey, God. Adams. Look at you. People are mocking me. They are pulling my leg because of Adams. Oh, God. All the things.
Yeah, men pen kwa me nyo the party they come out.
Ah, why you am school boy at you be himself with your concern. Hey, why you am concern mark? I da wa ha no wa ha consent tu moja ne jai what? Concern tu moja ne jai. Asa me ka tell wa so na me ka tell wa no. Ah, me just na ko ka tell Santoa no.
Me, asma ka tell me, areho, ahomete. And I'm going across and says, oh, nothing else matter, Hosa, and one can. And you can't be of me from my buano. Nobody may need any okay and I'm tired.
Na me catch us kokan eno na me bisa wo. Me no wadi kokoa mu nkomo. Ade na se nipa aba obi ne mu di kokoa mu nkomo a. Se so sa kokan kire adan.
Na me wo catch am say kokoa mu nkomo.
Na me catch us kobo ge na ma na me kan. Ah, me no wadi nkomo no atwa me ka koka che ge no na kokeka nsam. E popo the whole show na life this ah. Ah, when you judge wo ye no.
Hey, me when you bring so the nini way out.
Ya we nurse ni me hu nurse ni aye concern is ada. Shame on you.
Ah, me, what are you saying?
What are you saying?
Ah, what has much eminence makobu se nipa na what is your problem?
What are you saying? Bro, what are you saying?
Na where?
The beer, what are you saying?
Ah, aso me kwa ya so so memu ani bre ho den.
Bro, what to say will be a school mu ha. What could you concern ya chew? E bi abram patron ha, we dey me sorry. We say what are you saying?
Ah, no way kwankwansa. We kwankwansa we gossip.
Na we there.
No way gossip.
We are snitching. We are snitching.
Me
What's snitching?
Me
Sakura yanko buano. Any ye. What did you see? I don't know. Can I life to sa?
Me
I do me so koka.
Hey me what's my name? Me we say me say si wasum no.
If you see the person they know ya buy.
Me.
What about
by the count of 3 no dey matter. Me say sir.
Opa count to 1. Come up boom me ku what?
Me wo be dey.
Sakwa.
Enye de yem ruja sa kwa fun o ti school mu ano. Ma dey wo nu ko so usuro no.
Udi me jama je.
Won ko so usuro no.
Wo de sa o papa che no, papa man ti say na me atu che ni.
No be
wo akwa bo no. What? They can't say be why your own concern is I don't go can't say me here.
Na what can smart and makobu se nipa na we dey born here. Oh, come on there.
Shame. Bro, bija my cover of 16 what can tell
what cover of 16
what can come on there and now can there can be no can low at you can't to shame you are a nurse you speaking low at you look at you
said you today oh jaja man
me jaja me ba fi mudi me jaja me you sure okay
for some people
we sure okay
so untimi ni ma untimi ni ma so
ya ka so to na uti America na ko bo bia ma ne e tu timi fa asam ntu tiri
eh me fa asam ntu timi ya me timi ho say na me asama
Chinese campus na so no ya de ti
campus ya so da ya de be un ma ba un e ka ba boy de bai asami kwa me ko kan we ne bo ne de he my baby asama e se buta wi
Precious. Like, I'm very, very disturbed.
Why?
Like, I have a big problem that I can't get off my mind.
What problem?
Isn't it Asantua?
What about Asantua?
With her condition, I've been trying to let her go home to go and then give birth. But she still wants to give birth in the school.
Boy, how is this even possible?
You tell me.
How can you give birth in this school?
I've been trying to tell her the school's conditions are not ideal.
But, Vaughn, are your parents aware that...
No!
Let me finish my statement. What was I going to say?
I already know what you are going to say. Are my parents aware that I've impregnated someone? Yes.
They are not aware?
No.
What about Santua's parents?
I don't even know if she has parents.
You were dating somebody, you don't know whether the person has parents or not, then you impregnated a person.
Like I said, it's a long story, like I can't even explain that one.
Vaughn, I don't think it's a good idea for her to give birth here.
Me neither.
You are going to really suffer. You are really going to suffer.
Yeah, I can't have the situation where I'm just there, then they come, oh, your child is this, Asantua is that the child is not this, Asantua is... I can't.
You can't. This one I'm supporting you. You can't.
You see.
So if possible, you see the school has records and all that. If possible, go and see the headmaster, talk to him, and then get the records of the parents of Asantua. Then call them and let them know. Cause right now she can't give birth here.
Precious, that would even be like that would just bring more problems because if I contact her parents, even if she does have some, they are going to contact mine by all means.
Why you don't want to tell your parents? I was even about to say, why don't you tell your parents rather?
You know how my parents are.
They are going to be okay with it. They are going to be okay with it. As long as Asantwa is going to give birth, somebody or somebody's family have to take responsibility. You can't just leave the child hanging. You can't let Asantwa give birth here. Eh? It's not a doll, oh. It's not like it's a toy. It's a human being and it can't be raised here. You have to make a family take responsibility. You can't do that. How old are you? It's your mom or your dad or her mom or her dad. Okay, because you can't do it. Asantwa can do. You are both kids. You have to know who you are going to contact. Or the child will be taken away from you, I'm sure. If she gives birth, I'm sure child services will come and take her.
Precious, my mind is too clouded with all this. But I'll take what you said into consideration.
You have to take it. Make sure you convince Asantwa because you can't let her give birth here.
I've been trying to, but she's so difficult to deal with now.
Try and get the parents' contact. Contact the headmaster. Let him know the situation. Or better still, talk to your parents about it. It's not that hard. Just talk to your parents. That's it. It's not hard at all. Bon.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me the party they
Koto, black. Mama opa telephone. Kizonga ke pro baba yankuri. Odin baba yankuri. Eh. Koto. Baba yankuri. Dem kwasi asem na wudi.
Say again.
Dem kwasi asem na eh. Medical ma warning. So, opa warning to su mienu on. We want to school be funu. Wọ́n tún yà díẹ̀ méjì ṣẹ́wọ́n wọn school man kasa say no ẹ̀bẹ̀ fún you see you know me.
So what have I done again? What is it again, sir? Why are you always on my nerves, sir? Why did I go wrong again? My headache? Huh? Oh, come on, sir.
Che. Now wo dey na how? Che dey why? Bound to master to make a child. So one she year on. Me see mama first warning, second warning. We need their own parent. The school no pass up for no one. The school no phone. We be say wouldn't him. Me Ghana who dey stop my cat or section who free girl no who dey. So when I get what my cat aren't here.
So am I the only person that I get work with? I'm not the only person.
Yeah. You chun yiribi. Now when ya chun yiraba. What it? Atapa to be I the mrana wo.
Everything every day.
Atapa ni to be I the mrana wo. Na chitan bi anso ene tane nam. What it? What? Hey, you see the way I deal with you.
You can't do me anything, sir. I am fed up. I am totally fed up with this, sir.
You fed up.
I am fed up. Why?
So you fed up on me?
I am fed up. I'm totally fed up.
Okay, so now you better fed up. Fed up.
Why did I go wrong? You're always on my nerves, always complaining about
something.
Don't tell me stop it.
I will tell you stop it.
You can't tell me that.
I will tell you stop it. Shut the f***ing mouth here.
Look at how you are talking to a student. Aren't you ashamed of yourself, sir?
And you to come to same. If you enter me to same, they come to same.
I'm telling you, sir, the next time you stop me and talk about this again, I will call my parents in because this is a threat. Hey, threaten me.
Well, that's a kid family in car. What a problem with you? Come on with the glass.
Look at all this.
Where is you? Hey, what is your papa doing with the glass in you?
You're always threatening me.
What is your plan?
I'm not buying out the
what's him?
Ubesha bibia na okasakasa saa misu mi hu ne ma ye.
Ona bu se baba ntoro pa ye titire ntoro se ne de atu nipa so. Ka obusuafo kwa ntoro a me de betu o mu so no. O mu ko mu ntimi nyo. Na obusuafo o mu be stand there. O be stand there MP na say there.
Any MP asem say you are threatening me.
No, you na me nya o threat.
What have I done?
You know.
What have I done?
You know.
My problem is talking to my colleague
The student.
That's what I say. Stop.
Why?
She's a marriage.
Come on, so we don't talk to married people again.
Why are you talking to the married people? Why do you don't marry? Why? You just imagine.
Oh, come on, sir.
You just imagine. Are you married?
You're not being fair to me, sir.
You're not marriage, but you chop married people matter. How? Can be possible? Can be possible? Why are you looking at me just like that? Or you look at me just like that? I would slap you. Are you blocking?
Slap me and see. Says, touch me.
But why not?
I am bringing my hand. Touch me, sir.
Why not?
I want you to touch me. You just touch me. Touch me. It is against the law to touch a student like this. You have every right to punish me, but you can't raise your hands at me. Touch me.
So now you know the law, right?
I know it. Touch me.
You know the law, then you follow marriage man.
Don't talk to married people again, sir.
Don't talk to married people.
Why should I talk to them?
Why are you married?
I'm not married, sir. I can't talk to married people.
No!
I don't talk to them.
No!
What if I zoo a good come where more baby room now?
What do you know? I push to what teacher you better use ready. Chemi Crow Ghana, how can you come with your face? You let you pay God in India. Or don't call it sister good. It's really good in Como say. Who will Banner Boy? What will you go home? Banner Boy, move to home. Ghana, how can you two pay apart from Satawale? Why
you call this?
Apart from Satawale, bet me my coaching.
And your gold, way in your gold. Satawale be on Satawale do the gold. Way in your gold, say.
And then Satawale who so
good and
Napoli, I don't Napoli. Napoli. Sao mu asem me se twu ebe funu. Wo dey hase kukuru wanya ya keke be be.
Na enu abi ni say. So when da ya me simi nai da. Me simi nai da.
So wade bi ho. Afa wo wie school no. Wo wie ne e kase say teacher be say change ka good ka ran.
So right now we are playing each other, right?
That's it.
Are we doing it?
Stay away from this woman there. You stop.
And I am not ready to stay away, so I should prepare for you, right? Okay. Okay, sir.
Now me, once a soldier, always a soldier.
Once a gangster, always a gangster.
Okay.
Thank you.
So gangster versus soldier. Who go win?
We shall see.
Who go win?
We shall see.
Every day gangster challenge soldier, but gangsters die one street.
Nah, sometimes when gangster comes, soldier go run.
Soldier go run?
Yeah, sometimes.
Soldier be soldier.
We shall see.
I told you once a soldier, always
and
a soldier.
And once a gangster, always a gangster.
Soldier never die.
Gangster never stop.
No, gangster die. Gangster will die.
People die against her. I want to die against her. That means I'm a real gangster.
So people die and people killing.
Oh, come on, sir.
What do you make a challenge? See a friend here. Tell better to phone out with the name school. I don't
Nibi say.
What? What
you bet? You say you don't have some.
Me free over. Wouldn't me free you, but wouldn't me bet? I'm the do am the buy. Wouldn't bet am the buy.
Say.
Now coffee shoe so na shoe na no fu mi na why you say? Oh yeah. Hey, look at it. We na dey be come. We gangster ya why post we.
Say bring my you see I take
you.
You see?
Can't you say
I know. Right from the beginning, I know. Just say you are jealous of me.
Now, also, you are
just jealous.
You're just jealous of me. You're dangerous.
See, no crack around. Then I'll be talking catching me. Huh? I'll be talking catching me at this time. Over me, son. I'll be so home. I'll be so home. Yeah, some.
After the last time you didn't come on, now 2 days, self-process sounds to my jail. It's almost a week. I've not seen changes. Why are you doing that?
Anything changes, Cecil. Did you see how person me yelling? Catch him, you see how me yelling? Person me yelling, catch me. I don't be on what you want him saying, what him wants him doing, what you also me too wants him to do. Say that I'm a catch on. Me too wants him to be.
It's not about me. It's not about me. Why? It's almost 1 week and then I can't continue with this relationship.
You can't what?
Continue. I'm tired. I've had enough already.
Martin, you're the other right?
No joking.
And I'm super to my free me so crowdful. Alright. This time around, I remember stressing my crowd relationship with you.
You're not even ready to change.
I'm not me say ube to me alcohol. Alright. So what's your name, Jana? What's your name? Who's in me interview now? I'm feeling so cold, I'm stressed in the crane free me so crowd. Alright, a bit Marco.
Oh, yeah. Me tell me and I'll be shaman now. Get it.
Sister, me no jaya, me no jayo. Me nya boys na me no jaya na my best friend from no. There be. Me no ya me no wie. Alright. Tube to me akọ.
From now onwards, I'm not your girlfriend.
There be go.
You don't even know.
Sister, I will kasa bebre o. Hey, wo kasa bebre no also. Why?
I just want you to know I'm not your girlfriend. So you don't have to control my life anymore. One more thing. Me no dates no. Once I talk to be now me talk brown and the box text no. Young co-host to me mad.
I mean, o kasa mo am bo asum bia. What to am me say won send the papa show. Huh? What to about 2 months now papa concern this can mother. Na me sika na udi. What to box about akwa say ba akro ba beje wa de meboa. Na bo ni to be free me so ko.
Dan no so bo me bo
Me bo na free me so ko.
Me ma beje ma di o hwe. Ka se no na me. Me ko. Je me go na me di o.
Man, yeah, yo, style be my own. Man, yo, shitty, maybe you be steady, what it?
You know, I know exactly. More bold.
She's stressed, crowd. If you say free, so that. Yeah, oh, me must say I'm once I'll be wrong. No, I am sorry. Boys, that's Tim. Why you must stay here and watch me? My young sow, me make keep you a crowd, come on. Eugenie. Bye bye.
Hey, you should be offering me your home catcher me.
I don't get it.
What is it?
Why is it that Asantua is still on campus with us?
Why is she not? Why is she supposed to be out of the
campus? Because she's pregnant.
She's pregnant. And so?
She's not supposed to be on campus.
Who's supposed to decide who should be on
campus?
Because
it's too much. I just on my end always vomiting.
It's normal, for a pregnant woman to.
So I know it's normal, but it's too much. It's getting worse. Seriously. You have to do something about it.
Are you a medical practitioner?
I'm not.
Then keep quiet.
We can't cope with that noise inside the room.
Hey! Dennis!
So what?
Look at you. You're not telling me what I should do. You're dictating the pace.
So I'm not telling you what to do. That's the rule.
Who said that rule? Tell me.
It's in every school. If someone is pregnant, the person has to leave the campus.
Okay, headmistress.
I'm not.
Oh. Let me tell you something. Hey, the fact that I have something to do with you does not mean you have the right to be talking to me anyhow. You don't have any right to decide what I should do and what I shouldn't do. Look at you. Impudence.
So you can't be insulting me.
Hey. I can't what?
I said you can't be insulting me.
Hey.
I just came to tell you what to do, and that's the right thing.
You came to tell me what to do. You came to tell me what to do. So I'm foolish, isn't it?
I'm not saying you are foolish, say.
That girl is not leaving the school.
She will.
Huh?
I said she will leave.
Well. Hey. What shall I say? I don't know. Your days are numbered.
The main reason why I call you here is because I want to have some conversation with you.
Conversation every day, new conversation.
Do you mean I'm stressing you?
You're not stressing me, but every day.
But what's wrong? Because I may not want and come out. Then a day. It's a Sunday. It's normal.
You just talk. Like, what's going on?
Adam, please, you are not treating me well.
Listen, why?
You've been showing me attitude. What have I done?
What attitude am I showing you? Like, we are just normal. You've done nothing wrong. Like, it's just that these days, no.
Whenever I call you for us to have a conversation, you start talking plenty. You start complaining.
And listen, just talk.
Okay, that was just by the way. We've been dating for so long, and I want you to take me to your uncle's place. I want to go and greet your family members.
Which of my uncles?
In fact, your family, your whole family.
And since when? Since when did you start thinking about such? And why should I even take you to my family members?
So are we just dating for dating's sake?
No, we are not dating
so you
for
have
dating's
an
sake.
evil plan, right? You're going to leave me after school.
Anderson, why?
You want to leave me after school?
If I don't take you to my parents, no, my family members, does that mean I have any evil plan against you?
Yes. Look at what you are saying. You are saying now, like, why should you take me to your parents' place?
We can be in a relationship for years, we can date for years without you knowing my family members and without me also knowing your family members. It's normal.
It's not normal. If you truly love me, you will take me to your family members.
I'm the one who loves you, not my family. So let's just be. We can be together for 10 years, 5 years.
Who can be together for 10 years?
Family.
Are you being serious here? Are you being serious here? Who is going to date you for 10 years without knowing your family members?
It's normal.
What's normal? Adams, what's normal here? I don't want to make this thing giddy. Take me to your family members. Simple. Okay, your uncle is okay.
Anderson, these days you've been acting weird. Why should I take you to say my?
Because I feel you're not taking me serious. You are playing with me. You're not taking me serious.
And not any other person than Semayi.
Yeah, Semayi.
You know he's the one who's taking care of me in this school. So why should I take you to him that I'm dating you or I'm in a relationship? He knows
everything, no?
He knows what?
He knows we are dating.
Since when?
You don't know. Then I'm telling you. He knows everything. Why? So make it official.
Anderson, I can't take you to my uncle. Well, it will be a disaster for me. I can't take you to him. He's the one who's taking care of me in this school. So if I take you to him, it means I can take care of myself.
But dating is normal.
Dating is normal when you are taking care of yourself or when you are doing everything on your own. But it's not normal when someone is taking care of you or you are under someone.
So
I can't take you to my uncle.
In all,
I can't take you to my uncle Anderson. Why?
Do you still want this relationship?
Why not? I want it and I love you. You are the one I love. No.
Adam, do you still want this relationship? How many times did I ask you? Do you still want this relationship? Adams?
Anderson, I said yes.
Okay, it's okay.
But I can't take you to my
I said
my
it's okay. I know what to do. It's okay. I'm leaving. Bye-bye.
Anderson.